Hi guys, I am Antonio Galatà, nutritionist in Rome. What you can see on my back is a wonderful place that you have to visit when you will be in Rome. This is Parco degli acquedotti. Old Roman aqueduct that brings water from the hills to the town. We will walk around this park. After walking, I will bring you in my kitchen to cook together an Italian dish. Maybe it will be pasta, maybe it will be rice, who can know? Just follow the video. Italian kitchen is healthy and can help you to lose weight and to be fit. Ciao! Welcome to my kitchen. We will cook together a traditional dish mixed with innovation. We will prepare lasagna with vegetarian bechamel and fresh fish. So let's see the ingredients. We will use fresh fish, mullet. I bought this because I find in my region in Italy, but you can use what you want. Fresh pasta with eggs, cauliflower, parmesan, garlic, celery, carrot, orange zest, lemon zest, olive oil, salt and pepper. So let's start cutting cauliflower. I will use half of this. Cauliflower is rich in fiber and vitamins. Now we will boil cauliflower in the hot water with salt. So now with a good knife we will cut pasta, because then we have to put this pasta here. So let's do like that. We have to obtain something like that. So now we'll take cauliflower and then in the same water we will cook pasta for just 2 minutes. Okay, so I can put pasta, some water, 30 grams of parmesan, salt, pepper, and now carrot and celery, oil. Now we cut fish like piece, big piece, like that. So now olive oil, salt, pepper, orange, lemon, and then we will mix everything together. Now we will take garlic, put here with 1 spoon of olive oil, and we put in microwave for 20 seconds. We will add this oil with garlic in our cream and mix for 10 seconds the last time. That's all. Now pasta is ready. We take pasta from water. Okay. Now we have all ingredients cooked, we have just to mix everything. We will start from a spoon of cream and then just put 2, 3 like that, another piece, and then fish, and then 1, 2. Last step, we will cook it in a microwave for just 1 minute. Now lasagna is ready to eat. I like this preparation because it is easy, fast and simple. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Buon appetito!